Now friends, let's discuss what all you will get as soon as you will make the payment immediately. Okay. So as soon as you will make the payment, you will get the access of our learning platform immediately. What all will be available in this learning platform? Whatever we have promised you friends, entire everything is covered here. So let's say you will log in into your learning platform. How to get the access of this? I will guide you on this as well. But let's understand what all will be covered. So number one, there are 3 courses that we have given already to you all as a free. So let's say the beginner's journey, you will click on this. This is the beginner's journey course of us. You will get the access of all these video lectures. Then you will come on to the journey of professional trader course, 10 breakout strategies and everything you will get on here. Okay. But friends, in the 50 hours live training, we will explain you much above than this. Okay. In the 50 hours live training, we will explain you much above than this. Everything will be practical, that when you will start taking trade, what all challenges will be there, what all minute points will be there on which you have to focus on, and there will be more and more assignments as well. Okay. But you can start watching these courses, and there is the availability of Q&A sessions, live market sessions, whatever we have done till today. Then comes follow the footprints course. Okay. So the world's #1 strategy, this entire course is explained here. You can watch this, but in the 50 hours live training, we will explain you much more than this. Okay. So the already 100 plus video lectures are available in all 3 courses together, but you will also get 200 video lectures in English and in Hindi as well. Okay. So the one more course will come here of the Hindi, 200 video lectures. Friends, we will upload the video lectures in this parallelly with the 50 hours live training for your revisions. So as soon as the 50 hours live training, let's say 2-3 sessions will be done, then let's say 10-12 video lectures we will give you here for the revision at any time. The access of this for you all will be for 1 year. Okay. Right. Then comes recordings of 50 hours live sessions. If you miss out on any session or you want to revise it again, you can definitely go on to here. As soon as the one session will be done, immediately the recording will be available here, friends. Let's say as soon as the session is done, within 1 hour, the recordings will be given here of Hindi and of English batch as well. Then comes bonuses, whatever bonuses we have shared with you. It's position size calculator sheet, regular practical assignments, strategies, rule template, recording of chart reading, detailed analysis videos, access of Facebook private community. So going on this, you have to just send us the request, click here to join our Facebook private community. We will accept your request within 24 hours. Then there is next book suggestion. We have till now suggested 2 books, but in the meanwhile we will also suggest some more books, friends, and that will be available here. Then comes recordings of Q&A offline and online chart reading sessions will be available here. We will give you 48 chart reading sessions. All these recordings will be available in this course, and whatever sessions we have conducted till today, that all are also available in this. Okay, let me show you. All these recordings are already available. We have done so many sessions till today. All these recordings are available till now. Then we had conducted 15 days live training class. All the practical things were explained here. In this, we had also explained about the options and about the how you can reach at the ultimate goal of 1 lakh rupees. Intraday setup has been given. 11th day options trading using follow the footprint strategy. So this entire course also you will get absolutely free on your learning platform. Now the question comes, how you will get the access of this, friends? Let me tell you the process. So once you will click on the payment link below, okay, once you will click on that, you will reach at this page. Then you have to click to the pay now. You can see this journey of professional trader program. You are paying for that. Pay now, and then you will come on to this page. You have to write your name here. Please write full name, email address. Whatever email address you will put, you will get the access of our learning platform through this email ID. Okay. And then your phone number. Please put your WhatsApp number, because we will also add on our VIP WhatsApp group within 24 hours. Okay. So then click on to the next button. You will come on this page. After clicking, you need to fill your billing address and click next. Okay. If you have GST number, you can definitely put your GST number as well. You will get the claim for that. Then comes UPI. So you will click on to the next. You can make the payment through UPI, or if you don't want to pay through UPI, you can click on more payment options. And then you can make payment through credit card, debit card, or net banking. If you want the EMI option, you can make the payment through credit card and then convert it into EMI. Once you are done with the payment, you will receive our first mail, that is from InstaMojo, about the receipt that you have paid 6998 to the Trade Legend. Okay, and you will receive another mail of us, that is our learning platform of Teachable. So you will receive a Teachable mail immediately. As soon as you will make the payment, both the mails will arrive within 10 seconds to you. Okay, so you have to click onto the confirm mail button here. You will open the mail and click onto the confirm mail. Write your full name again and put the password and confirm the password. Whatever password you will put here, friends, with the help of this password, you will be able to access our learning platform. Okay, then click onto the finish button, go to the courses, click the checkbox and continue. Okay, you agree the terms and conditions and click the continue button. You will get the access of this learning platform, the learning platform that I have already shared with you. This is the learning platform. Okay, so this everything will be uploaded in your learning platform, and Hindi 200 video lectures will also be added. Recording of 50 hours live session in Hindi and English. Separate courses will be available. Recordings of offline and online chart reading sessions, Hindi and English, both will be available to you. So you will get the access of both Hindi batch as well, English batch as well, Hindi recordings as well, English recordings as well. That's all, friends. You all will get this at the price point of 6998, but the price point can increase at any time. So click the button now and confirm your seat for 50 hours live training now.